Whoa, whoa. Crypto Bubbles is giving us the flavor for today. I know those of you who have been DCA, you are now happy, like really happy to see that the market is getting back to normal somehow. But is this kind of like weekend flavor, or maybe this is just something that we are gonna like? I mean, it's just gonna be like short move, this weekend. Then for Monday, we're gonna start seeing the market going downward again. Bitcoin maybe go down to 35,000. Well, in today's live stream, we are gonna elaborate on that. So this is gonna be a different kind of show that I usually do. Yeah, we're gonna be basically looking for coins to trade. Look at the coins that we are already holding, like APE Coin, TRB Coin, Chirpley. Look at all these coins. Look at where they are right now. Look at this pump and see if we should take out profits or just keep holding it. Like everything is pumping right now. Even TRB is pumping. It's up 6%. Yeah, let's just discuss on that. And as usual, if you are new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto. Yeah, I create content that will help you make cap l'argent in the crypto space. Today we are just gonna have a normal weekend trade. Look at coins. Look at the coins that we can gonna be buying this weekend, and see if Bitcoin is making this move for a short term or long term, so we can build our portfolio in a way that reflect market movement this weekend. Today is Friday, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, come on, you have to subscribe right now, and make sure you thumbs up. When you thumbs up, it helps this algorithm on YouTube to vaporize my content to the air, and so that people can get more of what I do here on a daily basis. We're gonna look also at the book map to see different areas where there are orders in the market, so we can take advantage of that. All right, guys, let's dive into the flavor and see what we can digest from today's show. Excuse guys. Let me first of all look at this coin. I've been trying to buy this coin right now, called Neon, but for some reason they refuse to sell it to me. Excuse guys. Bybit have refused to show me Neon. Is like Bybit don't want me to buy Neon. But let's begin with our big daddy, the Alpha. Let's go to the daily time frame first. Let's see what's going on with our big daddy. So Big Daddy is doing so well. Big Daddy is recovering. But what actually is Big Daddy doing? Right? Is Big Daddy gonna be going to make all-time highs, or do we have areas where we can expect some sort of resistance? If you have been watching my show, I love to say this, like if you have been watching my shows, because yeah, if you have been watching my shows, you must have heard me say that $4,200, not $4,200, $42,000 for Bitcoin is the area where we can expect some sort of reversal. Now, before, there is something I want you guys to see here. Price have been moving above the alpha trend, and above the 50-day moving average, like you can see. But I think lately, price is now below that 50-day moving average. And the alpha trend has printed a sell signal on the daily time frame. So I'm gonna warn you guys to be careful this weekend. From today, this pump is gonna go right up to 4,000. No, I'm not saying 4,000. $42,000. Or if the worst come to the worst, we're gonna see Bitcoin go to $43,000. And if say Bitcoin is not able to break that $43,000, then it's gonna be the same story, guys. We're gonna see Bitcoin come right down here to around 35,000. Now, the reason why I'm telling you guys to not to pay attention to this pump today, it's not because I don't want you guys to feel relieved that the market is actually recovering, but I want you guys to be able to take out some profit now, or if the price is gone back to where price started falling with your project, get out from it. Now, this moving average is making its way to the upside. This is the 200-day moving average. And because it is closer to price, so I think price is going to do like this, come back down. If this moving average is not able to make its way to the upside, then maybe price can just pretend as if it's going up and then just plunge downward. Right? Because this moving average, they are getting so close. And price is around critical zone. Now let me bring in the volume profile so we can examine like which direction we can see Bitcoin going to. Now this is the volume profile, and we can see that Bitcoin is heading towards the POC. The POC is exactly at the zone I mentioned that we can see reversal. That's around $42,000 or 43, but it's around this zone here. So if Bitcoin is not able to break above the POC, which is gonna be the alpha trend printing buy, then I'm not gonna trust any altcoin pump right now. They're gonna pump, but they're gonna actually dip again, looking at the higher time frame. But it doesn't mean that we cannot make money from the lower time frame. Of course, we can make money from the lower time frame. That's why if we go to the 4 hours time frame with the Big Daddy, we can see that there's a target printing here, and this target is gonna be around also this moving average. It might not be instantly like today, but this week alone, this huge week here, this should I say call it engulfing candle, because that's engulf all of this, and now maybe we can see Bitcoin go and kiss this zone, this price, this moving average. That is the 200-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame, or maybe Bitcoin is not going to go there and wait for this moving average to make its way to the downside, right? But now, what is fascinating here is that the alpha trend is it's one of my biggest, supporter when I'm trading. Like supporter, because it helps me to understand the trend. Now, looking at this zone here, that price has printed this, it's like there's some sort of resistance here, and this resistance is around 42,000. Let me just say $42,000. Yeah, and I think price is gonna attempt, and before price get there, these moving averages, must have, make their way to the downside. This is my support and resistance indicator here, and this can be, this could be the main area where price is gonna pivot. And if I want to confirm that price is actually going to move and make higher highs, then this is what I want to see with Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to break above, come back, retest it, hold it. That's when I'm going to be like, I'm getting all in altcoin, right? The reason why I'm doing this for Bitcoin is because, guys, I want you to see that Bitcoin alone is going to give you the flavor of what can happen, or what could happen with other projects out there. If say you don't look at it and say, okay, Bitcoin now is pumped 3% or almost 4%, and these other altcoins are doing like crazy gains, like for example, ODI is up like about, let's see, ODI, I'm gonna check ODI right now. ODI is up about, so let's see, about 10% for today, right? But does it mean that ODI is gonna keep on going up, 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 up? No, of course. That's not the case. It means that ODI has plunged downwards that significantly, and now ODI is trying to make its way back to the upside, looking at price action, right? So is ODI trying to play the same game with Bitcoin? Of course, yes, because there are key levels here that ODI also have to break before we can confirm that ODI is in an uptrend. This is the chart of ODI, right? So there are, like, for example, price is heading towards this 50-day moving average for ODI. And for what I know, when price get there, there have to be some sort of reversal. And looking at ODI also, I can see that the 800-day moving average is closer. So the least ODI can do to confirm the next move to the upside is to come and kiss this moving average. I like that you kiss it. You just kiss that moving average and then you leave. You understand? Yeah, but you understand what I'm trying to do here. Go do like this. Come there before we can expect a quick move back to the upside. If I don't see that, then I won't really be comfortable thinking such move is gonna be a move that I can think ride it right up to the next all-time high. Right? I see this moving averages here as strong area of support, so a strong area of resistance for price. So if price is not able to break these moving averages and come and retest it again, I'm not going to be trusting price to do anything. But I think this weekend is going to be an amazing weekend for cryptocurrencies. But it's going to move around this range and target this resistance level here. And if we look at the Trendillo, we can see that the Trendillo is making its way to the upside, and but it's still below the 0.00 let me just say minus 0.00 area. We have to see it cross to cross around the the plus 0.1, before I can really say ODI is gonna make itself to the overbought area. So right now, ODI just left the oversold area and is heading towards the overbought area. Let's hope that price gets there. You can see below back then price has been for a long time now, ever since which day. Let's see, for ODI that was still December. Ever since December, price has been making its way down. So now let's expect something different for this this coming week, not this month, because we are still in January, right? Now, looking at TRB, Taylor, I actually sold my Taylor. I didn't want to buy Taylor. I have reasons why I didn't buy it, but right now I think I have to buy Taylor. Taylor is up 6% already, but I am gonna tell you guys why I'm gonna buy Taylor. Actually, looking at the 4 hours time frame, I can see that Taylor has been attempting. Let me just zoom this a little bit so we can see what I'm trying to say here. Remember what I mentioned about this 800-day moving average? When price is coming towards it, price have to come and at least kiss it somehow before then price price should hold above it. If price close below it, then it's catastrophe. You can see Taylor has been holding. Now Taylor is trying to move to the upside, but there are resistance here that I am seeing. This is the 50-day moving average. So what I would say to you guys is, when you see price get to that 50-day moving average, at least try to take out some profit. At least. And if you want to feel comfortable trading Taylor, like buying it long term, of course, you can still buy it right now. Like you can still buy it right now. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy it right now, but if we look at the bigger picture here on like, the daily time frame, you can see here that the 200-day moving average is right below here, and price is still below the 5-day moving average. So I cannot really validate this pump, this 6% pump, right now. All I can say is, if the price is not able to break above this 50-day moving average on the higher time frame and stay above it, I won't be trusting that price is gonna keep moving on the upside, right? And if say price is not also able to come and retest this area to like reset to the moving averages, like come back here towards the moving averages, I can't also say that we are gonna be moving long or like up to the upside long term. So these are the kind of stuff I want to see in any project when I'm buying it long term. I have to see that price is ready to pump. Why should I be buying like a coin that is gonna maybe plunge down more? Like if I'm buying this coin and it pumped, let's say 10%, then from there it just fall back. Let's say from let's say it pumped to the moving average, and from there to this is gonna be 43% drop. So we can still see this coin drop 41 or 40%. Wow. So guys, you have to look at coins that are above this 50-day moving average, right? If you see coins that are above this 50-day moving average, then you can buy it. Of course, you can still buy these coins if say you are DCA, like if you want to be DCA this coin. But I'm talking about those who are trading. If you want to DCA this coin, of course you can buy it until it get to where reverse again. But I'm talking to those who don't have enough cash and they are trying to make cash every now and then, trading every day, looking for opportunities every day in the market. So that's the people I'm communicating to when it comes to this. So let's now look at APE Coin. APE Coin is giving me some flavor here that I'm enjoying it. I accumulated a lot of APE Coin, recently, and the reason why I accumulated APE Coin is because I drew this volume profile here, and I realized that price was around this area here, with this value area low, and I've seen that price has attempted to price has come to that area multiple times, or price have tested that area multiple times, and price have rejected that area. You can see and I think yesterday price tested this area again, and now price is moving from it. Even though it is below these moving averages, I can say that price has begun to form this trend line here with APE Coin. And if the price maintain that trend line with APE Coin, then we want to actually be happy to see that. Why? If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool here, let me just keep this here and pull the Fibonacci retracement tool. So let's see which areas we can expect price. Let's see from the top to the bottom. Now guys, you can see that price is exactly here at the this is now I forgot the name, how they call it, the golden pocket. Yeah, price is at the golden pocket. The golden pocket is an important zone when it comes to the Fibonacci retracement tool. It is an area where price is gonna bounce back, or it's an area where we can say, all right, price has healthily reversed or have retraced back, and price is ready to make the next move to the upside. So you can see price is just around this area where price is bouncing right now. This is a golden pocket here, which is very important. You take advantage of, like you understand where price is right now. So these are very important areas that I love to talk about. I love to see. I would love to look at, and it gives me an opportunity to understand how the market is moving and how I can take advantage of it. Now I know that if price get to the POC, yeah, looking at the volume profile, price is gonna retrace back. And if I see price there, I'm gonna take out some profit for APE coin. And I think that price is gonna drop, let's say 5%, or maybe let's say 2% or 3%, right? And I'm gonna buy back again. This is important, guys. This is important because I excuse guys. Excuse guys. The reason why I have to take out some profit is because I bought it right down here. And if say I bought it right down here and the move from down here to the POC is 17%, then no, it's 18%, then I have to take out some profit. Now, because of this trend line, right, I should expect price to somehow make its way back from here, make its way back to this trend line before boom, the value area high, right? So that is the kind of scenarios I want to see with price. I want price to be able to show me what price is doing and where price want to be before I can like really go full time, like all in that project. So APE coin looks so juicy. Talking about coins with movement, let's go to Chirpley. Chirpley, CHRP. Yeah, CHRP, Chirpley. Chirpley actually pumped. I think that was, I think, yesterday or 2 days ago, it pumped. Now, that this was evitable because look at where price was. Price came to an area of interest, right? Price come to an area of interest that price had to bounce. This was a strong support zone. So provided price is above that support area for Chirpley, the HRP, then we should consider price to be going up instead. And if you see on the daily time frame, price is even closer to this level here, this support and resistance level on this moving average. So because price is close out there, I know that this move can be a good move. But what I want to see is this. We can see Chirpley pump, then come back when this moving average must have crossed this zone and come around this area, touch it, then go, move back and make higher highs. So these are the scenarios that I think, this is the things I want to see with Chirpley before I can actually, go full time in. Of course, guys, I took some profit already with Chirpley. This was a pump I'm talking about. I took some profit already with Chirpley, and right now I'm gonna wait to ride this pump back to this upside because the alpha trend haven't yet printed sell signal yet on the daily time frame. So I think we still have an opportunity to move to the upside with Chirpley. I think that's gonna be an amazing opportunity for those of you who are holding Chirpley. Now let's look at another coin that I love to talk about, or I've been talking about recently. This is QNT. This is also a project we can trade this weekend. It's really good. It's really at a good zone right now. That's bounced from this moving average that I mentioned. This my moving average. This my indicator. As like you can see, price came below this the red one in the middle, and price rejected from there. Price tried to break again here. Price rejected from there, and now price is heading towards the upside. Now, the possible target that I think we can see this go to is, let's just first of all bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool to see if, say, this is the pullback from the pump. Let's see, the first area where we can expect pullback is around $121, and the area where we can see major pullback also is around this area 134 for this coin, because ever since it pumped, it haven't gone back to retest this zone. So I think my target here is around $131. And also, if say we pull the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom here, I want to take, not like bottom, but from this zone here. Let me take it from here. Assume that this is where the pump started to the upside. Let's see where the golden pocket will be. So now we are heading towards the golden pocket. This makes sense that we are above the golden pocket. Now this is what I want to see. Looking at this, I want to see price to this. That you should mark the, if you are an investor in quant, then mark these levels. It's very important. So I want to see price do this. Let me take off this. I've already marked the zone. Yeah, now I have this zone now. I want to see price do this. Price should do this before I can really confirm that we are back in an uptrend. Do this, come back and hold. Price shouldn't break. Price should hold this zone. Right, and if price hold this zone, then I'm gonna add more to my quant. But for now, I'm not gonna sell my quant until it get to around $131, where I can sell and take out some profit and wait for the next move again. So I think quant has a huge opportunity. We can see one quant get to about $1,000 this year. I think so. Yeah. So that's that for quants. Let's see if, say, we can bring in. Before we go, let me just check on this using the volume profile with quant. Let's see if, say, we can get also similar data. Yeah, let's see this. Okay, so you can see here that the POC is right down here, and the value area high is the area that I mentioned that we can see price go there. Wow, you can see this price bounce from the POC. This is amazing. Wow. The way these indicators respect themselves, guys, is fascinating. It's amazing. So let's move now to ICP. Let's see what ICP is doing right now. ICP is up actually for today 7%. Yeah, but the one thing with ICP is that I think ICP is bullish. Why? Because ICP have stayed above this 50-day moving average. So you can see ICP go back to $16. Yeah, it can go back to $16 because also the alpha trend haven't printed sell signal yet. Yeah, that's something I think I would have bought ICP, but I didn't buy it. I was looking at this zone. Yeah, I would have bought it because this moving average is so far away. Price wouldn't have just fall like that. Wow. I've missed out on this one, guys. I didn't buy ICP. Maybe I should wait for retracement on the lower time frame. Yep. Oh, guys, I feel so hungry. I haven't eaten since morning, and I'm doing this for you guys. Let's look at Solana. But before we look at Solana, let's look at ICP on this lower time frame. Let's see ICP. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, actually it looks good. I want to see it break, come back, retest it, and hold it. If it holds, then I can say I'll buy more. And let's see it on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I would have bought here because you see it already break, and wow. Anyways, I didn't check on that. You cannot check on every coin, but I'm happy I got a lot of OD already. OD looks so juicy, and this is my target here. I think OD is gonna come around $63, or let's say $61 price point for OD. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think I've exhausted most of the I've talked about most of the coins I wanted to share with you. Um, the coins that you can trade this weekend is ApeCoin. Can trade ApeCoin this weekend. Quant hasn't yet pumped actually. You can also trade Floki Ino. Floki Ino haven't yet pumped actually also. We have seen the alpha trend print a buy signal here for Floki, and Floki has been moving down. Actually, talking about Floki, I have to buy Floki right now because I think let me see the 15 minutes time frame for Floki. Let me see. Yeah, it makes sense because of what is going on in the market right now. I think, let me see again. Let me zoom this. Let's go to, all right. Looking at what is going on in the market right now. Should I buy Floki? The alpha trend has printed a buy signal. Floki has made higher highs to this moving average here. So what I want to see price hold. Yeah, I want to see this candle close. Yeah, I want to be watching Chirpley. Floki. This is an important zone. Yeah, this zone is important. So if price is able to hold that zone to keep that zone, then I'm gonna buy Floki So I think we can see huge movement with Floki to the upside. And it's very normal that price is retracing like this because price has kissed that moving average, so price is gonna come back down somehow to hold this zone here. Because price break structure, price has to come back there. So we wanna see price hold at that zone before we can. I wanna buy Floki when I see that happen. All right, guys, I feel so tired already. Hopefully, you guys are gonna have a good weekend. I'm hungry. I have to go and eat. I said, let me come live and do this. Maybe not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna be live, but I can share some stuff in the group. So if you guys are in the group, then we can communicate there. And yeah, I want to see all of us make some gains this weekend. So yeah, all the best to you guys. Ciao. Subscribe, thumbs up.